Data visualization is the future. It can transform a sea of information into something that is appealing, easy to understand, and informative. If you are currently using TM1, you're probably sitting on a goldmine of data. Have you ever tried to present your TM1 data to your decision makers using data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Qlik? If you have, you'll know that it is hard, really hard, to transfer your TM1 data to these visualization tools. In most cases, you'll have to write Tableau integrated scripts and then export the data into a database before you can finally load the data into your visualization tool. That can take a lot of time and development effort, especially if your TM1 cubes are huge and dynamic. In fact, if your business is growing so quickly and your data is evolving rapidly, by the time the data reaches your visualization tool, it may already be outdated and irrelevant. We built TMVGate as a bridge that links your TM1 data to the leading data visualization tools. All of your TM1 data can be exported to these tools in just a few clicks. The data you get is in real time, so your visualizations are always relevant. The setup is simple and quick. Simply log in, choose your cube, the view you want, generate the REST API URL, and you're ready to start visualizing your data. That was quick, right? With TMVGate, transform this into this easily. We're just scratching the surface with this video. Get started with TMVGate to breathe life into your data.